How to fix missed call notifications not showing on Android. First, try checking the notification settings for your phone app. Launch open the app library on your device. Find the phone application and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Notifications. Once you do that, you'll be able to access the notification settings. Scroll down. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for missed calls. Toggle this button on right next to that particular option. Once you do that, you'll be able to get the notifications regarding missed calls. But if you're still not getting the notification, what you have to do is check if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your device. Scroll down from the top of your screen. You can see over here Do Not Disturb mode is enabled for me. Tap on it in order to turn it off. Once you do that, you'll be able to receive the notifications. If still you're not being able to receive the notifications, turn on the airplane mode for a while. Simply tap on the option airplane mode. Wait for a while and tap on it again in order to turn it off. Now once you do that, you should be able to receive the notifications for the missed calls. Like this, you can fix missed call notifications not showing on Android. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.